Next layer for the abiotic environment is atmosphere. The mixture of gases that envelops the air is called atmosphere. The Earth's gravitational pulls hold the gases of atmosphere around it. So, the third layer, atmosphere, it is also called as gaseous state. The atmosphere contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, and traces of other gases, the dust particles, and the water vapors. This realm not only sustains life by providing different life supporting gases, the other gases which are also available in the atmosphere are some way or the other is useful to all the living organisms, and it also protects the earth from the harmful radiation of the sun, and it regulates the temperature of the earth and thereby making it habitable. And comes the next heading, biotic environment. The biotic environment is the form of the living organisms and the natural things which are available in the nature without the interference of the human. The biotic environment is also called as biological elements. And all these three realms, the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere, it mean to form a narrow zone of interaction which supports life. This is called a biosphere. All the three forms, they are merging together to support the life of all the living organisms in the country or in the world. This is called biosphere. And the biosphere, it is taken from the Greek word bios, called life. And the biotic environment comprises the biotic as well as the abiotic environment. The biotic environment is also combined with abiotic environment also. In fact, all the living environment consists of the elements derived from these three parts, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. All the living organisms and the non-living organisms are in some contact with all the three realms of life. The biosphere has made the Earth a unique planet in the solar system. The biosphere extends from the bottom of the ocean, it is about 11,034 meters below the sea level, to the top of the highest mountains, about 8,848 meters above the sea level in the Mount Everest. Although life exists throughout the biosphere, the most living things are concentrated within a narrow zone from less than 200 meters below the sea level to about 6,000 meters above the sea level. And the sunlight is a main source of energy for all the living beings in the biosphere. And this is an important abiotic environment, sunlight. The biosphere consists of distinct regions called biomes and aquatic life zones. Each zone has its own physical conditions and unique assemblage of organisms. And next comes the heading ecosystem. The ecosystem are the systems. It is formed by the interaction of all the living organisms with each other and with the environment in which they live. It includes all the living organisms, not only the human beings. And this biosphere is often referred to as the global ecosystem, and the biomes are the regional ecosystem. Till this, we will finish off this session, and the next part will be the human environment. We will continue in the next very classes. And your home and assignment, read the lesson. If you have any hard words, you please mark it. Learn the questions and question answers from the history lesson. Already we have completed one fair work lesson, so learn the question answers from the history lesson. Okay, thank you.